last week, it was identified that Mexico was experiencing a new strain of influenza. This is specifically the swine flu strain. At the same time, cases were identified in California. On Friday and through the weekend, the outbreak has become more defined. So right now, there is an outbreak of a new or novel virus in Mexico. As of this morning, they have indicated that they have some 1,600 cases of influenza, not all identified as swine flu, and they have had somewhere in the range of 100 deaths. Again, not necessarily all associated with swine flu. As part of this outbreak, they have identified other causes of influenza, in other words, the classic influenza A strains. To date, we have had no cases identified in Ontario and certainly no cases identified in Windsor, although that certainly may change as the days goes on. Certainly we all know that lots of individuals, especially over the spring break, have been traveling to Mexico and are returning, and certainly the information that we are trying to get out to members of the public are that if you are experiencing upper respiratory illnesses of classic flu, which is sudden onset of fever, chills, muscle aches, joint pain, fatigue, these are classic flu symptoms. And if you have these symptoms and have recently returned from Mexico, please do contact your healthcare provider and speak with them regarding this. If you are certainly seriously ill, then as I would advise any individual to go to a hospital or be seen by your healthcare practitioner. But when you do, identify that you are ill with influenza-like symptoms and that you have returned from Mexico so that you can be treated and triaged appropriately.